Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to the interactive course of machine translation for Arabic. In this lecture we will be continuing working with Translog and we will see how to copy the second file. I'll go to my Dropbox, click on Arabic IMT folder and click on project data and find my folder, which is Arabic P16. For this one, C1R1, I have finished that yesterday and today I have to work with this. And now I will open it. It depends whether your Dropbox is active or not. If your Dropbox is active, it will open it from your machine. If your Dropbox is not active, then you can download it. It's now open. I will copy it to the desktop. And now I will open this file with Translog user. I will click on this open folder or open project and I will check in the desktop. It is this C2R1 and open. The status is ready, then I will start logging. As I told you, this one is only copying, so we have to copy this. I will print out. Oh, sorry, it is English. No, it is Arabic. I will pause the screen until I finish. Now I finished copying this. I will click on stop logging. Then it will prompt whether to save the log file. I will say yes. And I will save it in the desktop with my serial number, Arabic P16 underscore C2. This C2R1 is the original name of the file. It will be saved as XML. It is saved. Here is the message. It is saved successfully. I will close it and I will close Translog. And now I have to edit this XML with Notepad. On line 17, this is lock windows and this is lock windows. I'll make a new line. In the Dropbox folder, these are lectures and this is lecture 2. I will copy this line in slide number 5 and I will paste it here. it is. It is now saved. These are the logs, as you know. You can check your own. I will close this, I will close this, and this one also will be closed. I'll go back to my Dropbox folder, and now I will click on upload files and go to desktop, and there it is. It is already there. XML files are, yes, XML files, you see these curly brackets. It means these are XML tags. So in the next lecture we will see how to work with Translog for the sake of post editing. See you there.